What's up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo coming at you. You know what time it is. So I got some mail here. Got this one the other day. Said I wasn't going to do a video for it, but I might as well combine it with my other unpackaging videos. They're all Juggalo related, so it's all good. Look at that. About time. It's the Boondox collectible minifigure. It showed up. Here's what he looks like. It's not very big. I thought he was going to be bigger. Got it with my Crimson Crow pre-order, but I got it late, like everybody else. So Heathen, his hat, Boondox. Nothing on the. So that's what that looks like. Let's see here. So the figure is designed by Amanda Orcutt, and the card art by Braindead Customs. So there you go. There's the Boondox minifigure. Too little, too late on the pre-order. So this one came in. I ordered this, because I was one of the lucky ones. I got the collectible Pals hat pin by Shaggy and the Creep. This is Shaggy, Toot and Keegan the Creep present the Shaggy and the Creep Show, Season 1, No Fucks Given Edition. So it appears to have 10 episodes with some extras, and it's not your average tape. I love this. Welcome to the 21st century, you guys. It's a tape cassette with a USB stick. It's pretty smart, pretty ingenuitive. I like that. Let's see. Season 1 No Fucks Given Edition. 20 years had passed since the debut of the critically acclaimed Shaggy Show has made its way into the hearts of dozens. Fast forward to the year 2020 and Shaggy Toot has found himself a pal. A failed comedian turned vlogger, Keegan the Creep. Together, these two have set their sights on YouTube to combine forces and resurrect all that flavorful freshness like never before. We proudly present to you the very first season in its entirety, the way it was intended to be seen, of the new smash hit series loved around the globe, The Shaggy and the Creep Show. So that's what the artwork for the inside of the tape cassette looks like. There's your little track listing for all 10 episodes. There's that. Now this one I'm pretty happy to support. Very happy to support. It says, "We are born when we take the road of recovery." Written by Sober the Juggalo, First Edition. Here's a picture. Sober the Juggalo. Helping those in recovery is my passion. I am from Brockton, MA. I am an Air Force veteran and a juggalo. I had a rough start in life. Once I got sober, I took charge of my world and started using my abilities to help people just like you. Much love to you. Whoop whoop. So, this is his book. It's supposed to help you if you're on the road to recovery. I am not on the road to recovery. I've been sober my whole life, but dedicated to all the juggalos and the people that help make this happen. So there's his chapter listing, the introduction, rock bottom, active recovery, life changes, relapsing, helping an addict, conclusion, and a worksheet. Warning, juggalos in recovery will change your life into something magical and unbelievable. So it says, introduction. This book is for anyone who needs help. What's going on, everyone? If you are about to read this book, then you must be searching for some answers. I want you to know that this book is purely just to help people. If something doesn't work for you, contact me at soberthejuggalo at juggalosinrecovery.com. And I will find a way to help you. This book is an option to help people in need. I have seen these options help many, including myself. Now with that, you are heading in the right direction. Continue working on yourself and you will get to where you want to be. Remember that I love you and that you are worth more to me than you know. Sober the Juggalo. So there you go. I bought this because I enjoy supporting juggalos, and this is a great book to support. Now, this juggalo here deserves some type of an award because he's trying to help juggalos better themselves. I ordered this I pre-ordered this off of Amazon. So there you have it. We are born when we take the road to recovery. The Boondox action figure. The Pals hat pin. The Shaggy and the Creep Show tape cassette. That is really... It's hard to do this with one hand. A USB stick. So I hope you enjoyed these unpackagings. So whoop whoop. Much motherfucking clown love. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.